there's a clear distinction between what the spending habits of people was before COVID and post-COVID. It's very evident. India is moving from a saving economy to a spending economy, more of a consumption economy, and that is clearly visible in our projects and the demand that is actually being raised by the clients. We are getting demand for luxury, ultra luxury units, and that's what we are now starting to build, focused on exclusivity. So basically, people want the entire unit to themselves. They want the facilities in the unit which are exclusive to them. So the facilities I'm talking about are jacuzzi, swimming pool, sauna, steam. This is all private. That's what we're building. Another thing that has also changed is requirement for an office, for a work from home office. So people are willing to sacrifice a bedroom to get larger space. Let's say a 5-bedroom apartment, they would want to cut it down to a 4-bedroom and a study. So get larger spaces, bigger wardrobes, added amenities, jacuzzis, private jacuzzis. So each bathroom has a separate jacuzzi. So these are the features that people are wanting to invest in and want to utilize, have the life, they want to spend the money on themselves, and that is what we see. We keep wondering that the prices are going up too high, it's way out of affordability, but you would be surprised, everything sells. The most expensive units, we keep wondering if there'll be a buyer for that, but there is a buyer who comes and buys it. So I think what people are doing, what we are experiencing is people are not actually the first generation buyers who are actually generating the wealth and investing. That is relatively less than people who are actually selling their assets to buy another asset. So that is, so let's say they're selling an asset and buying something for 80% of that value and utilizing the rest 20% for their personal expenses or maybe business. And they're also getting banks assistance